sleeping, Pumpkin.
What?
People sleeping.
It's too loud? Got anything to say?
What are you doing, Pumpkin?
I just know you're gonna say something. What are you thinking?
Looks good. I thought it was, it looks gray. I thought it was white.
It looks white in pictures, but it's gray.
You got that thing lowered pretty low, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Do you ever hit? But I mean, it's like 2 inches off the ground.
Yeah, well, I adjust it. This is my low driving height. So like if I want to look cool and drive, this is where I drive it. But if I want to get over stuff, I'll go up. You know what that is?
Looks like a roll bar for your radiator. I don't think I've seen these bucket seats.
Try sitting it.
I don't know if I can get in there.
You can, it's uncomfortable.
Ah, jeez. God.
You gotta squeeze.
You can't be serious. I need the jaws of life to get in here. Holy cow. Oh my God. Sweetie, I don't know if I can get out of here. Oh my God, you cannot be serious.
Is it tight on your hips?
Yes. I can hardly move.
That's the point.
Really? Are you supposed to be wedged in there like a sardine can?
This is the biggest size too.
Oh my God. I don't know if I can get out of here.
Well, good luck here. You can take my hand. I'll rip you out. Dad's
That
stuck.
looks good on you, hon.
Is it me?
Yeah. So we were in the backyard playing with the dogs, and John's like, "Hey, I think Madison's here. I hear a hot rod out there."
Can you turn that thing off so I can get out of here?
Watch your head, honey.
Do you need help?
Do you need help, hon? Watch your back.
Whoa, almost ripped off the side skirt there.
That's okay. Dad!
What's wrong with you?
Well, you try it.
Yeah, you try it. She said, oh.
Let's see if you could do it a little better.
He's a little more graceful. That's how you gotta get in. You just gotta throw yourself in.
My butt's not as big as yours, honey.
Come on.
It is hard to get out though. It's not easy.
I didn't have to roll on the ground.
Sounds like a roller coaster. Now, is it on the ground?
It's touching the ground.
What if you accidentally drove like that?
I wouldn't be able to.
Where's all that? Is the pump in the back?
Oh yeah, you wanna see the trunk?
Can you do that when you're driving? You can.
Yeah.
Wow.
So these are the 2 compressors. Sometimes people only do 1, but 2 makes it go up and down faster. And then that's the actual tank.
What are these things here? Are those manual overrides or anything?
The red things?
Huh?
So that's the actual like suspension component. So the strut.
Okay.
So the strut replaces like the coilover or the spring, and then you can manually adjust right here if you want it like more stiff or less stiff.
I like it.
Oh, and look,
You
can't really
use your
see.
trunk.
You can't really see it in the light too well, but it lights up green.
Okay.
So when it's a little bit darker, isn't that cool? And that's my battery.
That's the battery for the car or for that?
For the car.
System?
Last year I relocated it from the front to the back.
What do you gain by doing that?
It mostly looks, and there's more room up front for like other parts. Hi guys, on today's video I'm gonna let my dad sit passenger in my EVO. How does that make you feel?
Oh, a little apprehensive.
My dad is not super into cars, and he definitely is a law-abiding citizen. He's not a big fan of speeding or anything of the sort. So it should be quite an interesting video. So we're gonna jump right into that.
It's gonna hit the curb, isn't it?
It might. Here, I'll air up.
Yeah.
The bag's opening up all the way.
Okay. Oh, it is a little easier to get in here.
That side's a little easier.
Oh God. It's still tight as a freaking drum.
So.
Who's this?
That's me.
Oh, is it?
Who's this? Okay, we're gonna put this.
I can't be serious.
You can't see it?
I can see it, but I just can't.
Okay, so now we're gonna go down to like my drive height. Isn't that weird?
Wow.
How do you feel about the car before driving it? Does it make you nervous? How does it make you feel?
Well, it's not very comfortable, I can tell you that.
When's the last time you were in my EVO? It was a long time ago, right?
I think it's probably a few years ago when you let me drive it.
And then you like didn't even want to drive it because you were scared?
Shifted a little funny.
You shifted at like 2,000 RPM.
What the heck was that?
I don't know.
Actually, I'm kind of getting comfy in this seat now. If I turn a little bit sideways, I can fit in them.
You're all sweaty.
I wasn't sweaty before I started this trip.
My dad's such a trooper, guys. He really doesn't really understand like the whole car enthusiast thing. He's always wished I had kept my Scion TC, so I really appreciate him getting in here and helping me out with this video. So
You get nervous.
God, she's driving 100 miles an hour.
Really?
no, we hit 60 and he's like, please stop.
Oh yeah, well we got there in about 2 seconds.
All right, how was sitting passenger?
Let's just say we don't need to do that again anytime soon.
Just come running back.